Hello wanderers, and welcome to day 9 of our journey with Avalon Waterways. Today we are in Ben Tre, Vietnam.
We'll be learning how to make coconut candy and take a sampan ride through a palm tree lined canal.
Come along, wanderers.
Our boat navigated through lush canals before docking at the Coconut Candy Confectionery. The candy workshop is also home to a crocodile farm and sells rice wine.
Once at the workshop, the staff showed us how they husk the coconut with a large, sharp spear. After the thick outer layer has been removed, they crack open the coconut and drain the water. Then the coconut flesh is heated while sugar is added and the mixture cooks over an open fire.
Once the candy is cooked, it is poured into molds, cooled, cut into pieces, and wrapped by hand in rice paper. Fresh coconut candy. They said don't chew it, because you'll lose your teeth. You just suck on it. It's actually a really light flavor, not very sweet, but it's yummy. It's good, and it's fresh.
They make several flavors of the candy, including banana, lychee, chocolate, and peanut.
The rice wine thrills tourists because of the special ingredient it's infused with. Yup, that's a snake, folks.
All right, this is snake wine, which is a rice wine with a cobra in it. Smells kind of like most other liquors, and I like whiskey, so I'm hoping I like the snake wine. It's actually pretty smooth. Tastes like rice wine, like a lot like sake. Just burns a little bit more than that.
I'm not trying that. Nope. But I was willing to put a python around my neck, so there's that.
Oh my.
Is he safe?
Snake? I just stay next to you, don't worry about it.
You don't need to go that way. You don't need to go that way.
Okay. You take a picture first?
Does he have a name?
I don't think so. But this is a python. Okay.
We were also treated to a performance of traditional southern Vietnamese songs while we snacked on fresh fruit from a local garden.
So we just finished up at the Crocodile Farm and Gardens, and we enjoyed watching them produce the coconut candy. We got a little to take home with us.
Now we're gonna hop on tuk-tuks to our next destination.
And it's gonna be awesome.
So our next destination is our very own private Sampan.
Our sampan ride was lovely and quite relaxing. It was neat to see how the barefoot sampan operators shifted their weight to generate momentum while rowing.
Once back on the boat, we were given fresh coconuts to snack on. Part of the coconut had been carved to form a spoon, so we could scoop out the yummy flesh. Mmm. What another great day on our Mekong River cruise.
Thank you for joining us for day 9 of our journey through Cambodia and Vietnam. Come back for day 10 where we have a full day in Ho Chi Minh City.
We'll be taking a walking tour and learning how to cook traditional Vietnamese dishes.
We'll see you there, wanderers.